This week in the buyer breakdown, we're going to go into the details of what it's really like, what it feels like to be a buyer in the 2021 housing market. It's not easy, let's put it that way. We're going to show you the players, we're going to show you the moves, and we're going to do a breakdown analysis right now. Okay, so let's start there. That is what you call the NUCs, okay? And when you've got the NUCs, that's like symbolic of we're going to do this. Let's see if we can engage in some business. The buyer obviously on the left, the seller on the right, and in the back you can see the real estate agent is sort of monitoring things and making sure that things are going the way they should. Stop right there for a second if you don't mind. Clearly this real estate agent's been around. There's some blood on his leg. It's pretty much been a blood sport all this year with the lack of inventory, and you can see that he's out really working hard for his client, as most great agents do, and he's ready to stand behind this offer. Okay, so let me just back this up for a second. When you see the tongue out from a buyer, that's how you know it's about to go down. Also, it's a fear reflex. So a lot of times people think it's fight or flight. It's actually fight or flight or tongue. All right, so let's get prepared to see this offer. All right, stop right there. He is about to put in a very strong offer. Unfortunately for him, you can see from the cauliflower ear that the seller has that he's received lots of offers. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but clearly the buyer's put his best foot forward. Oh, and that was a strong offer, but wait. You see the real estate agent there? The real estate agent is proud of the offer that was made. He was basically telling the seller, take that, seller. But if you ask me on the breakdown, you see the laser-like focus of the seller right now? The thing I really want you to focus in on is the laser eyes of the seller. The seller is not messing around. You can see it. It's like he's burning a hole in his heart. That is intimidating. Okay, he took that offer and he just absorbed it like it was nothing. Let's just see what the counter offer looks like. You can see right there he's digging deep. This seller is not playing around. He's probably going to ask for an appraisal waiver, loan contingency waiver, huge earnest deposit. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. I don't think the buyer knows either at this point. Oh, right there, he's figured it out. I don't know if he can feel the wind coming to him, but you can see from the grimace on the buyer's face that this is going to be painful. I don't know if he's got the heat to absorb it, but there it is, right in the ear. This buyer is hurt physically and emotionally. You can see it's more than physical, right? This buyer is hurt in his heart. It's not about the numbers. He put his best foot forward. He thought it was a strong offer, and this seller absorbed it, came back with a very strong counter, and it might even be the knockout blow. I don't even know if this guy wants to move forward. But if you're interested in figuring out what it's like to be a buyer in the 2021 housing market, then look no further than this. And this. And this, and that one, and this one, and take that, and there you go, right? So now, of course, the real estate agent, which I started to like, I don't like him at this point, he didn't even want to look at the buyer anymore. He can't even look at the devastation. See him look down? It doesn't take that much focus to put up a new offer, and the agent's ready to do it, but he is glad that he's not the buyer right now. What's the buyer going to do? He's thinking about it. He's going to rent.